How to fix Hulu error code P-Dev322. Hey guys, welcome back. So if you are facing some issues with streaming on the Hulu application or even on the Hulu browser, then you can easily resolve these issues if you're having the P-Dev322 error. It's specifically present when there is a error with the streaming service or with the application. So this error often indicates that you have a issue with the playback system that is not allowing you to watch the content that you want. So usually it primarily does occur on the application version, not on the browser version, but I'm going to show you guys a couple of ways that you can easily resolve these issues. So first off, if you have the application downloaded on your device, if it is on your PC, laptop, whatever device you are using, then you have to make sure to uninstall and then reinstall your application. So you can click on download over here, and just like that, you will have to reinstall your application. That is something very common that can easily resolve your issue. It usually resolves itself once you do this, but if you're having issues with the Hulu application even further, so let's say you uninstalled and reinstalled the application and still you have no luck. Well, you can also make sure that your application or your device is functioning well with streaming services. So for that, I mean, you need to make sure to turn on YouTube or Netflix, any other streaming service, just to check if it is working. So if the other applications are working, this will confirm that the issue is not with your device or your internet connection, because if you have an insecure internet connection, which is very sparse, then Hulu can also show you this error. If both of these situations do not resolve your error code, the third option you have is to restart your device. So for that, just click on over here and click on shutdown, and then shut down your device and then restart it once more. Usually this will also resolve your issue, but if you're still having issues with your Hulu application and you're still getting the P-Dev322 error, there is one more way that you can easily resolve it. Well, for that, all you have to do is clear your cache and data. So you can directly go into your device settings, or if you're using it on your browser, you can click on the epileptics over here on the top right. Go into your settings. So simply click on settings over here. And then you can go into privacy and security, click on clear browsing history, and then you can clear your browsing history. You don't even have to clear the history, just make sure to clear the cached images and files. So this is going to be one of the primary ways that usually does guarantee. Once you clear the cache and data, just close your device and then reopen it again. So restart your device once more. And that should usually get rid of this error. Now, just to recap for you guys, first off, it's to log back into your Hulu account from a different device if it's working over there, then go back to your original device. Then you can also reinstall your application. Make sure you do that. If it still does not work, you can also change your internet connection. You can also make sure to clear your cache and history. Now, if the error is still persisting on your device, on the Hulu application, you need to make sure that your app is updated. So if you have the Hulu app, over here you will find your download button. Once it's downloaded, if you find a update button, so if it says update Hulu application, make sure you have updated the Hulu application to its newest version to make sure that you don't have any errors as well. That is going to resolve your error. Now, if we have the application over here, so you guys can see this is the Hulu application, and you guys can continue on over here. Once you reinstall it, you can just re-log in, and that should resolve your issue over here. Now, if you still have this issue with the Hulu application, there is one more way that you can resolve it, and that is by actually disabling any proxy or VPN. So if you're using a browser VPN like this, or even a desktop VPN like this, usually it is good to disable your proxy or VPN. So once you disable your proxy or VPN, it is going to help you in resolving the Hulu issue because oftentimes proxies can interfere with streaming services. So make sure you also do that. So in general, there are 5 basic ways to make sure that your Hulu error does not happen. So to remove the P-Dev322, check your internet connection, clear your cache and data, update your Hulu app, disable your VPN, reinstall and update your Hulu application. Now, although this is a pretty annoying error, it is very frustrating, but it's a simple technical issue that only takes a couple of minutes to resolve, and it can happen due to some connectivity issues as well. And you can, but just by following these troubleshooting steps, by clearing your data and checking your app for any updates, you can easily resolve this issue. If the issue is still persisting with your Hulu application, then make sure to contact Hulu support for more assistance. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.